What's up, guys? This video is gonna be very important. My previous videos, guys, please watch them entirely. Any video I post, sometimes I do not post daily because I only that whatever I have said is still valid, okay? But whenever I make any new videos, I'm gonna cover new stuff. So I want you guys to watch the entire video and please hit the like button right now just to support the channel. These are valuable stuff I'm giving you, okay? We're going to talk about USDT dominance, how much higher it can go, and BTC, how it might not actually go down to $75,000. We might bottom around low 80s or mid 80s. Okay, we're going to talk about those. BTC dominance, we're going to still talk about it. Tomorrow is the last day of this month. We're going to see this monthly candle closing, which is still green. As I said in my previous video, I would like, because it has so much similarity, and if you want to really consider technical analysis, when we have a green candle like this after a red, we need to see another red. If we see that green, it might still go. We have two scenarios. We're going to talk about those, okay? How much uglier everything can get. We're going to talk about Fibonacci retracement, how much lower I'm expecting with the Fibonacci, okay? We're going to look at two things in here. We're going to also look at the market. Let's just look at the markets right now. It is neutral. You guys see that we are on fear and greed 48% or 48. That means that everything is almost 50-50 right now, okay? And you guys do not worry. I told you guys, we are gonna have altcoins rallying again. I just made a very important video for my members. Go ahead and watch that. I showed you guys one of the coins, a couple of the coins that have done 10x and they're not going any lower. So go ahead and watch those. And USDT dominance, guys. Let's start with the USDT. Just for the new watchers or new viewers or new subscribers, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. You guys see that all the low prices for Bitcoin was on top and the higher prices are lower because we have opposite correlation between USDT and BTC, okay? And a lot of you guys are worried about USDT, guys. It's just about euro, okay? We have a lot of crap going on with a lot of countries, and they banned, like India has banned crypto a million times and they unbanned it later. So it has not really affected that much, okay? And because we have other stable coins, I am not worried, okay? Even if Europe stops using USDT, USDC is out there, DAI is out there, a lot of stable coins are out there, and XRP is given another stable coin. Well, I don't know if it's RL, whatever. Anyways, those are not the scary things, okay? We're gonna have pullback, and I'm still saying that I am not expecting anything higher than 5.07%. Where this green candle, even if we close this monthly candle for USDT dominance as green like that, because we have had a huge red candle and this green is still having almost same amount of wicks from both sides, that shows that how neutral everything is, okay? That shows that we do not have to go any higher and we do not have to start the bear market, which will be totally weird for this cycle if we start the bear market from a year earlier, okay? That's why I'm not worried, because BTC dominance is going to eventually reset, eventually go down. Even if we, let's just make technical analysis for this, make some lines here, okay? Support and resistance. Let's make this line, make it a little bit thicker, make it black, okay? And let's just make touch these two lines, this one and this previous top, okay? I want you guys to just see that how everything can make sense. Okay, so I touch this line, I mean with the top of this wick, with this wick all the way here. This is a triangle as you guys are seeing right now, okay? So even if the highest that we can go, as I said before, even before we started dropping from 6.3 or 61.4%, and we started seeing a lot of altcoins rallied, I said that we are going to maximum go up to 65%, which will be top of this channel, which we have a lot of resistance around this area. You guys can clearly see that we had this drop, we had a rally after that. You guys see that we got supported on here, and we got rejected for this wick. We got this rejected from this wick, and top of these two candles and bottom of these candles that are closed. So a lot of resistance is waiting around 63-64%. That's why I'm saying that is the maximum we can go. And I would say, I'm not saying that we're going to completely go down to lower part of the channel, which we can still, because even if you guys compare it, we went to the lowest point, so we can still go down to 41.5%. Timing wise, that will be almost end of 2025. We'll be around this area. Okay, so we're gonna maximum if it gets uglier. So far I said that I am expecting lower to 87,000 lower. 89 would be my first target, and if you really want to do a Fibonacci retracement, I have already done it from this low of the bear market up to $108,000 something, from up to this wick, right? If we really want to look at how much retracement we can have, the point that is showing us is going to be a little bit lower than $87,000. That would be almost 86,600 ish. Okay, so that will be the first point we need to look at. But the reason I put 89,700, we can go to weekly and show you guys, and you guys can clearly see in here that this closed candle, that's why I have this small black line in here, 89,700 ish would be the closed candle. Where the closed candle was, every time we had hit these wicks, we started going higher, but we never actually closed this body. If you guys know technical analysis and use technical analysis, usually the body of either top of the wick or part of the wicks or the body of the candle is the most support or resistance, depends on how it is hitting it, if it's hitting from the below or higher. Okay, so you guys can see for the last 3 weeks we keep getting rejected. Although we had a couple of thousands of rallies in here, you guys see that every time this went to top of these wicks, it started going lower. This went to hit almost this body, and these wicks started getting rejected again. Okay, so around 90,000, 89,700 is where is my first support level, down to 86,400, 500. Okay, and that would show me after we hit that, and that happens, I am going to then judge it how uglier can everything get. We have to see how much higher USDT dominance has gone. Okay, so we need to still wait. That's why I need you guys to subscribe right now. Tomorrow, at the end of the day, I'm gonna probably let you guys know. By the way, Happy New Year. It's early, but Happy New Year. I hope you guys are gonna make so much money in this year. 2025 is going to be the year for a lot of us if you guys take advantage of all these buying opportunities. As I have said, I just told my members I am not selling any of my altcoins. I'm still expecting Bitcoin dominance. Either of these two arrows is going to play out. Okay, either we're going to have 1 or 2 months of going higher for BTC dominance. We're going to probably go lower for BTC, get consolidated and go higher, or just go sideways, and we're gonna see a lot of altcoins rallying, and that's why BTC dominance is gonna get a reset. And because in the previous 2 bull markets, you guys see that BTC dropped heavily. Although we had some retracement on the way, we still saw all these red candles. So I am not expecting that we're not gonna have any altcoin season. Okay, that's why I am very confident that we're going to eventually see BTC dominance crashing for several months, and that's going to be the best opportunity for altcoins to rally. Okay, I'm going to use another tool to see how much lower it can go. We're going to use trend-based Fibonacci extension. Okay, so from this high to this low, and if we go all the way to up to $108,000 and just go drag it, and let's just zoom in. Okay, if we zoom in, so I hope you guys understood what I just did. So from this top, almost 73,600 ish, down to the lowest point, which I have to fix this. Okay, you guys see that we are around 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, a little bit lower. Okay, let me get rid of this line so you don't get confused. Let me zoom in more. Okay, if we get to as I said 87, 89, 700 ish, which would be almost around here, that will be 0.786. okay, and if we go lower, guys, we're gonna most likely hit this one would be 83, 84,000 dollars. Okay, after that we have to see how much higher USDT has gone, and as I said, we're gonna see reactions to USDT dominance. This is the monthly chart. Once we get, if we get, everything gets uglier and we keep dropping down to 83,000 dollars, we will most likely see USDT dominance getting to almost 5%, where the wick starts, right? So that shows that there's a good resistance level waiting for USDT, and we're gonna probably see the next monthly candle, if it gets ugly, gets to this level almost. Let me just show you guys with a path. If we go like to this higher, this where this wick is, and then we're gonna most likely go down. Okay, so that is a scenario that I'm giving you guys if everything gets ugly. Okay, so this can work out, but again, because even if Bitcoin does not make any new or higher high and just goes sideways or slowly drops or goes a little bit higher, we're going to eventually see altcoins rally. That's why I'm not really worried about Bitcoin anymore. I know a lot of you guys are Bitcoin maxis and all you care about is Bitcoin, but I'm sorry, Bitcoin is not the only option. Okay, altcoins can make a lot more money in the cycle. Bitcoin has done, yes, 4, 5, 6x. Actually, yes, 5, 6x, yes. But altcoins can easily do it. I gave you guys some examples with the members. Even some of the coins that I have called them, one of them has done 10x and it's just going strongly. Like it does not even care about Bitcoin's retracement right now, and it keeps making new all-time high. Okay, that's why I'm not selling a penny, because I do not want to miss out on the good performances. Okay, so, and if you really want to look at these, a lot of these coins are going to shine. I'm not talking about the bigger cap coins. Bigger cap coins are for the people who have thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest. And if they want to really guarantee their money, they can go 50%, 40% into higher cap coins, because they want to make sure that they're not going to lose and they're not going to make a huge risk for their investment. But for me, for a lot of people who have only $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, anything less than $10,000, $15,000, I would say that you guys can, yes, get some of your coins as higher cap coins, because you want to make sure that even if you do maximum of 4 or 5x in the cycle with that money, you want to make sure that the money that you are risking for that smaller cap coins, you are guaranteeing that money. So, okay, of course, there's no guarantee in this market. Even we saw Luna, what happened to it, FTX, and what happened to them. Okay, but again, because we want to kind of manage our risks, we need to see how much we are investing and what we should buy, because there are a lot of options out there. Okay, so these are good stuff that I'm telling you. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you guys are interested in this channel. Whatever we talk about, go ahead and watch those videos that I have posted before. I warned you guys about the 30% retracement that we usually see for Bitcoin after BTC dominance tops, at least temporarily. Since we started topping for BTC and started going forward. And go ahead and share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.